Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix Face ID not recognized on any iPhone. Now, to fix this issue, first of all, just check that there is nothing covering the Face ID sensors on your iPhone. If you have applied a screen protector, just remove it and clean the Face ID sensors area with a soft cloth. After you do that, also make sure that your face is not blocked. If you are wearing a mask or glasses, just remove them and check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then open Settings, and in Settings just tap on Face ID and Passcode. And from here just make sure that you have set up Face ID on your iPhone. For that, just tap on Set up Face ID. First of all, just position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in circles as it is shown in this animation. Just like that. Now just tap on Get Started and register your Face ID. Now once you set up Face ID, now just tap on Setup Later and tap on Done. Now just create your lock screen passcode. Then tap on Use Anyway. Now just enter your passcode one more time to confirm your passcode. Now as you can see, we have successfully set up Face ID on our iPhone. Now if Face ID is already enabled on your iPhone, you will find the option of Set up an alternate appearance. Just tap on it, then tap on Get Started, and from here you can set up your Face ID. Now just tap on Setup Later and tap on Done. Now if you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, then in the Face ID and Passcode section you will find the option of Reset Face ID. Just tap on it and you will reset your Face ID. Now once you reset your Face ID, then tap on Setup Face ID and tap on Get Started to set up your Face ID one more time. Now just tap on Setup Later, then tap on Done. Now if you have done all that and if this also did not fix your issue, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now if this also did not fix your issue, then this could be a software glitch. To fix this issue, just open Settings, then go to General. From here, just tap on Software Update. Now from here, just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. Now if you have done that and if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the Face ID sensors on your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix Face ID not working on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.